He man dead and I watch for a minute and he look in say mama fling on the dog and go up on top of the dog and start put on some donkey ride. The man say, but the man say, yo.
Oh my God! Wow!
And short out. Flick off more and fight. Get off and be like your blood clot. The man say, yo, when he see that to bombard, the man say, yo, in giraffe, he macheting up here. No man say, me to tell me say, your baby mother seen where you go America for and do everything for where you carry up your drugs inside of you and get catch and then get deported back to Jamaica. Cause remember everything what you're doing because true, she love money and everything. You go put her on the work for take care of she. You get deported back to Jamaica, see? After you do your time in a prison. You feel me? You do 5 years in a state prison. Get deported back to Jamaica. When you get deported back to Jamaica now, you feel me? You stay with she. Cause when time you get in a jail for 5 years, you know, she did find an ex, like have a man out there, like a local drug dealer. Basically she cheat by you and all these things, but you make she go on. End up anyway, she get something out of that cause she end up get a little house. Right? The female said she fix up your house and all these things. Now when time you come home now, you stay in her house with her every day. You see me? After 6 months, you did it. When she see things kind of slow down, when you get to look funds and all them, every day of course, you need to come out, go find something to do, you need to look work, you need to do this, you need to do that. And by the end of the day, you still come home and I try to take care of you because she just love run the street, she go party every night. You feel me? And then one time, when time you get a thing lying up a town, you go link up somebody because you get a car for buy where you say you go run taxi with that, where you can help out and do a thing. The female say every day she a nagging at your house so you come home and remember you know, she used to look out for. See? When you go on a town now, you're a virgin where you roll with, you know him for a long time. You feel me? I say over how much in years, 30 odd years, you say you know him from your little picking. Till now. You see me I say? You're a virgin. You feel me I say? When time you go on a town, go and sort out the thing for your car and you come back home and pull up back in your house. You hear, oi, yeah baby, oi, don't stop. And you say I want there for Netflix on. You feel me I say, alright, you know say your girl love watch porn. So you feel like she watch porn and all these things and enable herself. When you grow the two bombard and your bridge, they see have that in a knockings and clappings around one part, my friend.
Oh my God! Wow!
Loan backers. You see me I say? Corrupt your meds. You see me? Channel star crazy run. Subscriber, the story I want kind of follow-up story, you know. For if you go back from my channel and search for you get deported back to Jamaica for carrying drugs inside of him or something like that. Yeah, if you type up with drugs, you with the video they will pop up. You feel me I say? And the story about the youth here where you feel me, he grew up at Jamaica, basically, you feel me, come from down in a Montego Bay side. You see me, I say, he must be, why, without the Montego Bay, down in a Bay side. You see it? Anyway, he dog get a chance to go to America. You see me, I say, when he go bring up drugs in him and all them things, the people. They see pre, so anyway, when in there Jamaica, you know, people, before you can go watch, I not go on a full story, you can go back go watch a story. You see me? But anyway, all you get to start when he bring the drugs to America, and you used to have a baby mother, nice baby mother. I'm telling you, baby mother clean, pretty, nice. You feel me? I say about the baby mother like she love things. You see me? I say I love man way in a things, but him never you them type of youth the way in a badness and gangster and all them things there. But the dog obtain, the dog did get a visa. You feel me I say? And the dog, when the dog get the visa, the dog end up, we are calling Mikey. When Mikey get the visa, Mikey end up station now, boof. He go turn a runner. You see me I say when we talk about runner, and a runner fi blow bangy line. You see me I say, he man bring up things inside of him and pills and pop up stuff up with you know what inside of him, a white lady. Okay? So that the work they take on. But when reason why I take on the work they know because his baby mother is a high class baby mother people and the man love him baby mother for real. You see me I say, he love his baby mother. Anyway, he did it one day and make a move and fly up in America and stay so boom and bring up a shipment. Up shipment and get the food, fall back at Jamaica. When time he fall back at Jamaica after a couple months, he say be a mother link with one he done panicana. You see me? So when the dog hear that now to bombard dogs again and can't really say nothing, my friend. You see me? I say can't say nothing. So anyway, the dog just stop, move around pan the corner, they pass on pan the street there and grow on the street there and all them things there. So I don't know like he used to give Dan a little thing or something, or I don't know people or something, but he done them here say much of hard and make some crazy moves. So anyway, Dan send call him when he flying one day. I remember be able to start liquid that now, you know. You feel me? So everybody say, alright, boof. Go around the party down and I say, what more, you know, Lincoln, we not see you run a ray, and one bag of sitting and ray. Dog have a piece of little money on him, then take it from him. You see me? So down they have some little juvenile now, so little juvenile them, my friend. You see me? I say, when the dog they stay so now, boop. Down them tell him, say, yo, walk him back down the street, man, and make him go on where him go. Juvenile them stay so now, walk him down the street, and the juvenile them a walk down the street now, people. The juvenile look back, the two of them. You feel me? I say, until they can't see that no more. You see me out of sight. So they look at the dog and say, yo, boof, we like your slippers, give it that. You see me, I say, boof, we like your watch, give it that at the shades, everything. The man they strip down every little thing where man have for him. And then he more people. Anyway, dog decide say, yo, watch out. But that, the man decide say, boom, still I make a move. He still have him running link. So now what go happen now, people, man go jump on the big running thing now and boom and make a run go America. When he make a run go America and reach in, you know, people, but when I think like he think busting him, so indeed have to end up come out the hospital. No come out the hospital, come out the house where them put him in a, you feel me I say, and end up at 7-11 and you feel me I say, it's like police call and them tell the police they have things in him and then carry him to hospital making shit out upon the toilet bowl and ray and then they lock him up. So them basically lock him up now, charge him for, you feel me I say, trafficking, drug trafficking and some style, booming, do about 5 year or 6 year thing, boom and send him back to Jamaica people. But when the man did in America, you know people. Man in America people, man, we shot in the day America do time in hand. Nobody. You see me I say so he find it hard to move cause first time I go in a state where he go. So you don't know nobody, so he lock up in a jail if he struggle, couldn't meet up with him baby mother and all them say couldn't contact her for all on 2 years. So when time finally make some link now and start work up in a prison now people and can get some money on him books now and can make one phone call so he make one phone call and some style call. You see me? The address, you don't know the address if you write for him, be a mother and something people. So the man does make a phone call, get the connection and so come in there talk to him, be a mother people and the girl not really look out for him, you know, people. You see me? Anyway, you see me, in the last half of bed now, you know a girl start come around a little bit and all these things like, you know, when they come home and all them things there. So, you see me, she start telling me, say, yo, she have a place now and all these things. She move out from around a certain part and you see me, she live in a look nice part now, like a nice area and a residential area. Some type people, so the dog I say, yo, remember, you know, nothing for do you know, people. You see me, I say, in just do nearly 6 years, you feel me, I say, go through his worst time in idea, kind of, nobody for call, you feel me, I say, no, nothing, no link, nothing people, so it doesn't roll out in time. Go through his struggle, just because when they do for please she, cause you feel me, I say, every time he run and make it, bring him, the Drúgs America and come and give her money, treat her up, fix up in youth, make sure it's in youth, alright, can have a one daughter and make sure it's in youth, good. You see me? Anyway, man, there the people and stay so buff and down at Jamaica now and you see me I say, reach at Jamaica now and they pa mama ends now people and they and you know as me tell you for the first 6 months everything I go smooth you see me start making some link now kind free. You feel me I say and some people they wonder when they and they not hear from him so and they make some connect now and tell them his story saying lock up and you know some people they start help him out for a little bit send him a little piece of food so and he still when he get the food you feel me I say still I give she help her she rich help her rich nothing wrong with that people but the girl is a wicked girl. You see me I say love man you know them girl with us love man. You see me? So right now people in bridging the dung there for a long time, you know a girl and all them thing they move around her a couple time and all them thing the people but so when they come out now and start their yard now in bridging start come around pan a regular now. You feel me I say over there drink smoke sometime in gone pan some business people can drop a youth at school cause they want one car drop a youth at school and some style the bridging dead if you pick up here and all them thing the bridging dead you see me I say everything when you do if you cook a house you make sure it's in bridging look out you feel me? I say one I time in bridging now know if he something he must not know if he stay on the bridging come there and he make the bridging stay there, that thing go do wrong. You feel me? I say, and the bridging and the girl now start get close. Anyway, people, dog did and I go and do things so in our house and like now things start get tight now every minute. Mama start cuss and I call him workless and you feel me? I say you're workless. She don't know how she settle herself for him and how she there so with him and all these things and all them things they can look for him now. She deserve better than these people and the man just get deep and out there try to make back life, you know my friend. The man just get deep because you feel me? I say, and plus you go sleep with the enemy. You go sleep with the enemy. You feel me? I say, cause people them run on the other street, we say them are done, so-called done them time, cause them are really done, so-called done. You feel me? I say, them run on the street, they decide, say, yo, watch out now. You feel me? I say, them want to go extort the youth and all them things, cause them hear say, them travel and make some money and all them things, you know, which you go give up them information there. You see me? I say, because walking sweet, yo. Or bad man you love. Bad man she love. Bad man she love. Girl, if I think your shots, boy, I mean I tell you. Anyway, so I used to start that, and I you make him man thing, him man have to put in the work and all them thing there, and mash up himself and get well, you know, really put no gun on him still. Me not say you, cause man for your sense. You see me I say, but any other sense, him a work for him girl and things he have a loyal girl. So I know nothing wrong with that. Him a also for him girl and in daughter will him baby mother, to be exact. Him also for her. So me not say a fool in the shin do. You see me I say so anyway when him also fear now people. You see me when in there Jamaica in her house now and things start slow, you know, and she a cuss him and a put him down and all them things. The man say sometime in come in now. You see me I say like food and she not cook no food again, she not do nothing people. And the man still a try do so look sitting in and the man try do everything for try to make a money. You see me I say man say worst thing when you go do to Bombard and I bridge in the have one bus. You see me I say, and he tell the dog say, yo, you gonna give me a couple, if I make me ducked up on the bus. And the dog say, yo, and give him a couple more 2 months of fight. And the girl, the man give girl money and then the girl cuss him and I say, look where you gone to. You see me I say, doctor work and yeah, they think the low life thing you got. Oh, that fi be low life and I work him and I work upon the bus where I carry people, passenger go, citizens and all these things go to places where them supposed to go work, business, all these things without this transportation, which is essential. You feel me? I say some people can't reach where them goes like some old people and some other people we can't drive or not driving. And you are cussing man and I tell him and then you still are taking money from him man. Anyway people, something they happen come up and you feel me I say? You have a bridging, a man make a call and you know, a bridging, we know him good when do work for and all them thing the people long time. Like a bridging have a piece of money America. You see me I say? Yeah, bridging have a piece of money America so. We have some car Jamaica and all them thing there and some of the vaccine and some of them thing they send down in the have down there and all them thing there. So a bridging tell him say, yo man. Me I go give you a vaccine. You see me I say, I make you go and go run taxi with that. You have to respond for license need and all them things. Maybe look at him, can help you with as far. You have to go run that. You see me? So you can and what you go do when you start make money you know, you just use a discretion and just pay me something a month. That the bridging tell him, you know, the bridging even pressure him now nothing people. The bridging say, yo, just make a discretion and just pay me something a month. You see me? Dog never tell him baby mother, you know. You see me I say, the dog and him, remember him bridging a stay over a house, you know, can you have him bridging a stay there. Because something we are going to bridging I have now if he stay and him remember him bridging a stay. So him never tell them, none of them nothing. You see me? Anyway. Dog know say I got a tone in the next morning. If you go sort out the car and some style, my friend. So man says a boof buff now and yeah, jump up in the morning early, take on the road and stay. So boom man even drive the car with it. You see me? The man take a bus. Go up in the city. You feel me? I say line up him for line up, look on the machine and yeah, line up and call in dog and say, yeah man, so them have to do now, just go get the license and them think they fit us to come back in with it. Anyway people. Man, see, so go to Tony man, remember I not tell them nothing, you know, left you look a criminal them there in the house, you know, look a thinking about them, you know. You see me I say, the dog says so boom and slide in back now people. You see me I say, and walk in the house people, me tell you say, man I hear, Oh baby, yeah, that yeah, and all them thing there. Be some morning time type of morning when man talk for a long time. Me dog saying even see that the front there, my friend. Long time you know see that the front there, so it look like mama dear get where she missing out long time to bombard him bridging that. Him man say when he going and push it the door to bombard time bridging he see alone knockings and backings and way. So till when he see him man dead and I watch for a minute and he look in say mama fling on the dog and go up on top of the dog and start put on some donkey ride. The man say but the man say yo and short out. Flick off more fight, get off and be like your blood clot. The man say yo when he see that to bombard, the man say yo in giraffe him a shating up people and then the man like when him a run back around the room seeing those lick him head and say where the boy I eat that and see girl nothing like you already a bone prison yard go my friend. The man says he reach I bombard room door and them go up in the corner go on with some style. The man she just drop out the hand dog and the man say no spin round. Man say no spin round, lift out the house. Calling CM Bridging. You see me I say and tell him say yo, Ray, I'm telling him who I go on and hold person. Man say where I say dog, here I go do man. You see me I say, cause yeah, what you have to do now, get the car and then the Bridging have a look like some guest house down pan Negril side and some style. So I say here I go do. Go on down pan Negril, go on take the car down there so stay in one of the room them down there and run the car my friend. You see me I say and try pay and see where you can work out down there. You see me? People at that, the man say man just spin round and just done all when time them a call him no answer man just gone down there. You see me I say no he don't have me Negril now and I run a car and I get back himself now people and I link up with be foreigners I pick up on something some foreigner call him transportation and all them thing they rate people and way. Man say one day I go pick up a woman from the airport and a white woman dog from England my friend. The man say yo come like a God sent she. A man say when he pick up a woman from the airport dog, a man just pick up a woman and like sitting just click with the man, a man Japara, which part you figure people. You see me I say? And a woman, cause people a day man they bombard the airport because all this a woman are traveling my friend. Yo, your woman have a ratted house in down in a Negril, let me say. Right, no in a Negril, up in a bay. You see me I say up in a bay, out a Negril. You feel me I say people, my youth me say house, big house, swimming pool. You woman have Jaguar, you woman have what you call it, what Range Rover in a yard. I swear to bombard when the dog got show me. And me say to bombard the dog start deal with the woman and start deal with the woman and way and get exchange and the woman just like him and just give me number and tell him say yo, you see me I say for the thing you feel me I say she can him can car come bring her around and all them things because she like how drive and way and this and that and that. It take from him to drop a woman at the airport to her yard people to build a relationship with the woman. Man talk out in way, never know say woman rich. When the dog go, man couldn't believe. Man start talk to the woman and the woman and say, yo, her husband dead in England. Woman stay on phone and way left all this and thing. The man start link up with the woman, my friend. Guy yard with the woman. Long story short, the man start beat out the woman, my friend. The woman just kick up as me get to understand. Link. The dog start push Jaguar, my friend. The dog does start, so when woman start do now, she have a whole friend now, America, England, she have people in Canada who come in for America, so when she start do that, they start register like a business, tourist business and all them things, the woman give man a business idea. Poor you see a man a live now people, man about 5 or 6 bus man. You see me I say, poor you see how a man a live, that woman they can save a man, give him man a life. If you understand people, and could waste man say amount of time in see all that waste bridging the people. Nothing now go on for him right now. Shell down. Woman, only thing he do with the baby mother, he just say, make sure say she get her money in her account to take care of her daughter. You see me I say, when his daughter return age, he ain't done. She and daughter can link with him. Man dead with mama and still go and take care of mama, treat mama go down there, my friend. Till he end up and get her pregnant. Till they end up get her pregnant people. You see me I say, mama 39 years old. All that thing she have done there. Jacuzzi, everything in her house. Big yard. I tell them, say God not sleep. Then suppose him there, and then suppose him there, man, you know where all them things are reaching people. That me I try to show you, say, yo, you get deported back at Jamaica, no care where you go through people. You have to just stand up and hold your ground. Because if they go through now and start take, because them I see when people take on and get mad in the worst thing, come and see a man in bridging a dig out in human in baby mother that belly button, my friend. And the man hold it like a G. God stand up by him. God stand up by his side, my friend. Holding hand and say, oh, watch out, my son. Don't worry about that, man. No more pain making drop him a shit. Because if he go chop up all she, press charges are a boy and go chop up a boy. Charges press. Some style. Jail. Lock up. Prisoner again. You see me? But when God say, I know your time and you feel live good and happy, you just have to go through some little trials and tribulations to know who is real and who is what. You have to just believe, my friend. Spot it on TV. You have to believe. So, Mikey, you see me I say, big up yourself for share story, my dog. You see me? Remember we did drop the first story before. You feel me I say? And you call and say, yo, follow up this, my friend. You see me? Because you have to make the people them know what can happen when time they get deported to Jamaica. Some woman you have to know. You have to just trust, you have to just know pick it right to man, yeah, man. And we don't know who I right to man till they grow on them and start see something. You have to just start read the sign and read the room and know what is what. Energy have to up right now. You see me I say, and me that say, if you can go to Jamaica, try if you uplift yourself and get back yourself together without have to depend on no woman or depend on nobody. You see me I say, just try if you have to work and build up yourself, build up a little thing. You see me I say, you might get somebody, you have some real woman out there like this woman, a real Jamaican woman out there too, where we help you get back on your feet too. You see me I say, where we just see and know say your potential and them see help you get back on your feet. You might give them some good working and all them things they see me, but them help you get back on your feet. But you have to know say when they're around these females and them help you out, and have to take it help and try to elevate and try to put on where them are gear. You feel me? I said, don't try to take with them again and squander and do some foolish and say, oh, mama mind me and she have to mind me and this and that and ray and all them things there and stuff style. No, I don't mind my friend. A God send somebody to help you out. So when you're growing and I tell your friend about she mind and you're out, no. It's not for a long time. So you have to make sure say you build your thing so it can serve you for a long time. Spot it on TV. Remember to do it right, guys. Like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell. And stay tuned for the next one. Because, boy, this is just a follow-up story of a one-eye story where we tell before. As I said, go up on the channel, type in deported back to Jamaica for drugs. You can just put in my friend get deported back to Jamaica for drugs. I'm sure it will pop up. And big up on yourself. Keep on like the channel. Remember to do it right. Like, share, subscribe, and keep on hit the bell, my friend. Because this is crazy.